In this video, you will see the unboxing and setup of the Boss BCB60 pedal board. BCB60 Boss. On the bottom, it's got these rubber stoppers so it doesn't slide all over the place. So hinge it. It locks and unlock these. Foam, extra foam, comes with 1/4-inch patch wires, 1, 2, 3 long ones with the gold tip, and 4, 5 short ones with a gold tip. And then power sources, we got power for seven pedals. This must be the power for the actual unit for the pedal board. With that, you're gonna have to set these. All you gotta do is pop that up, so you can now set your pedal board. Okay, here's my current pedal board. It's Furman, I think, SPB8, and it's worked fine so far, but I've had it for years. But the actual inputs on these outputs, they're kind of funky, so cuts out during the middle of a show, so it's time for a new board. To run the wires to set the pedals, you have to unscrew these. There's little knobs on here. This is just like a plastic cover, so it shields your wires. They just unscrew. So once we take the cover that was on here, once you take that off, now you can set your pedals. Now this is free, and you can run your wires through that part. So now we do the same thing with the foam. You got these rotating knobs on this foam, so you can take it out and pop it out and put the pedal according to whatever setup you have you want. Okay, so we managed to take the foam off. We just screw these out and just turn them. That comes off. But now we want to fit the wah pedal. I have the dime bag wah, and it doesn't fit right there. But all you have to do is unscrew these. It's got 2 Phillips screws in there. So let's just unscrew those out. Okay, so I just unscrewed that part right there. 2 Phillips screws. And now the wah pedal fits inside of the board. I might have to take that piece of foam out. So we're gonna put the pedals, take these pieces of foam out. The pedals are gonna go in there. Excuse me. We're gonna screw these back in. After you've laid out your pedals, you run your power to your pedals from this DC out. Just link them through there, put them through here. Once you're done running the power, then you can put this back on there so it looks nice and pretty. Next, you can run all the instrument wire, the 1/4 inches. I'm running mine mono. If you were running it stereo, I guess that's where you would run A and B. But I'm only running it from the A. So you can fit the wire, put it in here so it's nice and pretty once you put that back on. Plug that in there. Hide the wire. And then, continue on your link, linking your wires. Until they're all done. Okay, I was able to fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pedals and the wah in there. Well, I got all the pedals in there. They're nice and tight. I wish I didn't have the white chromatic tuner up here. It would look a lot neater if that wasn't up there, but I need it for on-the-fly tuning in the middle of songs and stuff. But yeah, got the pedal board working. So you do the output to your amp over here, and then you input your guitar over there, and you're ready to rock and roll. And it's ready to rock and roll.